This river is filtered by 85% limestone, make it one of the richest rivers in Jamaica. Limestone, it's good for poor circulation, it's good for joint pain, it's good for eczema, it's good for stretch marks, it's good for cancer cell and also mosquito bite.
I love how clear the water is. I love that
Crystal
we're able
clear,
to see the bottom.
And also,
because it's so scary sometimes when you're going to some water and it just looks pitch black.
That's what I'm trying to tell you, the dirt. It's called White River because it have white sand. My name is Trace Brown. Right now you can find me in a White River, in the Rochielin areas, right under the bridge. You know what I'm saying? They're well sturdy too. Yeah. Well built, you don't have to worry about that because we are builders also.
It's definitely not deep, and just look how pristine the water is. It's crystal clear.
So you can walk into the water and just easy and enjoy.
I love it.
I'm doing this over 4 years now. Do remember, you're separated by 2 parishes, St. Mary over on this side, and you got St. Anne on this side.
Hey fam, welcome back to another Rochielin video. Today we have something exciting for you. Today we're going rafting. I am in Rochielin on the White River and we're about to head to rafting, and I cannot wait to take you guys on this experience with me. It's one of those things that you should do, have to do when it comes to Jamaica. You have it in different spots in Jamaica, in different parishes and on different rivers. But today we're in White River in Rochielin, and I don't want to miss this. Like, it's one of those things that you should do, whether it's for birthdays, anniversaries, special occasions, or you just want a chill day on the river. Trust me. Keep watching this video and keep watching all my videos for different things to do when you're in Jamaica, when you're on the island, when you're here. You know how I do. Let's get on with it. I'm going with my family, and yes, it's family friendly. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Rochielin traveling the 4 corner. Rochielin vlogging on no border. Rochielin plant a man banana. Rochielin vlogging on no drama. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Like, share, subscribe. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Channel the worldwide.
Rochielin. Let's take a quick pause. Imagine this. You have a brilliant idea for an app or a website, but you don't know where to start. Or maybe your business needs a secure POS system, better IT infrastructure, or even a sleek new design for your brand. That's where By August Solution comes in. They don't just offer IT services, but they create solutions that are tailored, scalable, and secure to fit your business needs. So whether it's app development, web design, cloud and physical security, hardware installation, UI, UX design, or video editing, they do it all. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, send them an email at byaugustsolutions@gmail.com or call them at any of the numbers that are listed on the screen. And I want to say thanks to By August Solutions for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Now let's get back into it. Look at that, rafts just passing by. These are all the different types of raft that they have. They have some covered, some uncovered, some that's big, some small, you know, all different types. So let's go.
Yeah, my people, welcome to Green Carpet exclusive river tour. Right here, so White River, you can find it in the Rochielin areas. Yeah man, you don't know, say straight vibes. Once you reach a raft, music there for the people them, straight vibes, entertainment, all of the captain them can dance, my people. Don't forget that straight entertainment. You hear me say that too much time? Yeah. Yeah man, see there, see you have the raft them, my people, right? That's so mad green carpet. See them lavish out? That's how we do it. We have to have good product for the people them come, so them feel nice and comfortable for go up on them. You know what I'm saying? They're well sturdy too. Yeah. Well built. You don't have to worry about that because we are builders also.
Yeah. So
all right.
Background, like, how long are you doing this now, Trace?
I'm doing this over 4 years now.
Over 4 years.
Yes.
What make you get in a
Well, I came in when, you know, when my brethren introduced me to the raft and said, you want to go up a river? Some say, yeah man, I'm going to try. I don't know about it, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try it and I say, I make it up the river because you have a difficult spot up there. So when I pass it, the man say, yes man, I'm good. Because I figure out a way strategically to work my way past it. You know what I say? Yeah. So I just that's so from then, I see how it pay. I say yes.
Yeah.
This are the feel I need for, you know, because of my style, I'm a people's person. Yeah. We know how to accommodate, you know what I mean, and do all that good stuff. Yes, so that's why I'm take it to the people them right now, and you see it, exclusive Green Carpet tour up.
And that's something this way you enjoy.
always.
And is it all throughout the year that you do
Right
this?
throughout the year, from 7 in the morning till you know when you time it.
All right, we're ready for go up on the raft now. Really excited. We're
Now,
going on this raft.
yes, one love you call this one right here, so.
This
Up
one.
my general, exclusive for them case. Yes, see it, my general, nice and cozy. Whatever occasion you coming on, if it's an anniversary, if it's a birthday, if you're celebrating something, we have everything for you guys.
So hold on, this raft over here, so it's birthday.
That's not a birthday raft, that's at the drop top right
The
there. sir.
drop top rafting, you know. Wow.
Yeah, if you don't want no visor, no roof over your head, you have a,
Okay,
you have
so-
a moon roof. For sure.
All right, so going on this one. This one apparently it sails smooth. It's covered. I have a Jamaica flag representing, and it marked birthday girls. I don't know if they had a birthday celebration earlier, but I could go up on it and see it now. Yo, this take a lot of arm strength. Look at that.
Do remember, you're separated by two parishes, St. Mary over on this side, and you got St. Anne on this side.
The next side of the river?
Right, both you have two parishes right now. St. Anne on the right, St. Mary on the right hand side.
When
and
you say the right, what you mean?
two different parish. You have 14 parishes in Jamaica,
Yeah.
okay? Now this river is separated by two parishes. That makes it the borderline for the two parish, just like America and Mexico.
What parishes?
Huh?
What parishes again?
St. Mary and St. Anne. Yes. St. Anne is on the left side and St. Mary is on the right side. Yes. And do remember that this river is filtered by 85% limestone, make it one of the richest rivers in Jamaica. A lot of people don't know that, but I did my research and figured it out myself. Upon discovering that, I realized that the benefits of the limestone, it's good for pore circulation, it's good for joint pain, it's good for eczema, it's good for stretch marks, it's good for cancer cell and also mosquito bite.
Oh yeah?
Yes. And it do greater. You can also Google limestone and you will figure it out and get greater information than what I just displayed to you. It's called White River, and the reason being for it to call White River is because it have white sand. The only river in Jamaica that have white sand. If you check any other river, you're gonna see dirt in them all the way.
That's why they call it White River.
That's why the name is White River. That's why the river is so crystal clear.
Oh yeah, it is crystal clear. I can see the
Absolutely.
bottom. That's amazing.
So yes, guys, I'm giving you everything behind this river today. Yeah. I mean, over in the corner a little bit, but you know, we don't ride in those areas. That's why you see me over here. Look at stick. You can't even step off and touch the ground. Right. But do know that by the earlier you come in this water, the more the benefits you receive from it. The water, early in the morning, it rejuvenates your whole body, everything. Right. So you know when you leave from here 6 or you got to go to work 7 in the morning or 8 in the morning, you know that you're ready for work. And nothing can distract you from your day.
So people come here and take a shower, bathe.
Early out in the mornings most of the time. Even late in the evening when all the activities die down.
Uh-huh.
Yes, it's a good time also.
Do they come and do laundry here? Do they wash?
No.
Nobody don't wash clothes?
No.
But they wash here though.
Huh?
With all the minerals
Yeah,
here,
man,
they wash
showers,
here.
yes. People normally does that. That's a normal activity for every river.
Yeah.
For somebody to go take a river bath.
Nice.
Yes.
So are there any like food spots along the river? Anybody provide food?
Yes, we have jerk centers. We have up here, Audrey's Jerk Center, where you're gonna see when we arrive up top as we go up a little further. As you see the swing ahead of us.
Nice.
Yes, we
That's-
we have good activities up here, guys. Trust me. You're
I
not
love
gonna,
it.
Yes, you can even walk, step off right there and walk with the camera and show you where off and move. Just step off a little bit. Watch it. Look there.
Hold on, let me get a fire.
Look there, my people. You see it?
Yeah.
In general, my show you. See it, you have it for yourself. Result, never fail.
Wow. So it's not deep. It's
Actually
definitely
not.
not deep. And just look how pristine the water is. It's crystal clear.
So you can walk into the water and just easy and enjoy it.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love how clear the water is. I love that
Crystal
we're able
clear.
to see the bottom.
And also-
because it's so scary sometimes when you're going to some water and it just look pitch black.
That's what I'm trying to tell you, the dirt.
Yeah.
That's the dirt that makes it cloudy.
Yeah, some river, sometimes you're going to some river and it's so dirty, like
Yeah.
it pitch black, like muddy.
Just straight dirt, the water they run upon, it not have no filtered system. As I
right.
said before, this water, it can be you can drink it from the beginning of the fountain.
So people drink this water?
This water is drinkable. A lot of people come catch it and go drink it, but not from this end, from the end that is coming straight from the rock.
From the rock.
Meaning that it's coming straight out of the earth. Now it's filtered, now you can use it.
Straight out of the spring.
Yes, the water on the earth developed the limestone.
Right.
That is the mineral stone, and that's we use for the limestone body massage for the ladies.
Ooh.
Yes, so now you see the limestone, the ladies them on TikTok with them foot white or them whole body
Yeah.
white. That is what we are doing here.
So by the time them leave, them skin supposed to be crystal clear.
Clean on them love it so till them don't know what to do with themselves.
Wow, whatever is on them skin come off.
Absolutely, all the impure, anything that come over the years that develop on the skin, the limestone is able to get rid of it.
Nice.
Yes, natural stone. You don't have to go through no process with it, nor none of that. The moment you go through process, it reduces the strength. A lot of folks don't know that.
All right.
I used to be a teacher's aide in online education in Florida, so I did a lot of research and stuff, so fully advanced. So
I love that. Before we continue,
yes.
I don't remember if you had tell us your name.
Oh, sorry
What is
about
your
that.
name and tell the people where they can find you.
Right. Okay, guys, my name is Trace Brown. Right now you can find me in a White River, in the Ochielin areas. That's where we located, right under the bridge, a White River. So if you can find it, or if you can't find it, you just link me and I'll send you a link where you can reach to me.
Google Maps location.
Right, Google Map.
Right. So, my question again.
Yes.
I notice you guys all move the raft manually.
Right.
You're manually doing everything to get
All
it
right,
to move from
back
point
in the
A to
days-
point B, right?
Yes.
What is the preparation like? Because you need to be strong. to be
Right,
able
you just
to
gotta
do
get
this.
up and eat a proper meal in the morning, you know what I mean? Get yourself prepared, prep for the day. Yeah, all that good stuff.
What does that meal look like?
Meal, a full course breakfast meal with a cup of tea, you know what I mean? You know
What
what
you
I
eat
say?
for breakfast? Break it down for me.
Banana, dumpling, ackee and saltfish.
Yeah.
You know, I say some brown stew chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and some of them callaloo, steam down and stuff like that.
Proper food.
Yes,
Okay.
that is the real food.
So you work out too?
Just the raft alone, my workout.
Yeah, this is the
only raft.
workout. So you're forever fit.
Fully fit.
Love it.
Yeah.
Love it. So I look a spot this down there, so now the
Yes,
food
this is
spot.
this is the vibe spot right here, so. This is where all the guests come and we hang out for a second. But we know we're gonna have a little music and stuff up there right now when we go up there, so. 'Cause
Lovely.
it's kind of active, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The current is going that way.
Yes.
That not harder for do, man.
It's pretty challenging, yes, but strategically working our way up the river because we already know how to angle our sticks. You know what I mean? That give us the way to govern it.
Okay.
Yeah. You see it? Catch it. All right, catch it. All right, catch it. All right. Daddy. No, yeah, yeah, comedian, you know.
Out here with Rochielin and her handsome husband and a cute little baby. You should see them. Oh my God. We're out here in Jamaica tubing and having lots of fun.
And what's your name?
And my name is Judith, but you can call me Sexy Nana.
Sexy.
Hey!
And my name is Mason.
Okay, hi Nathan. Well, I'm so happy to be here and to meet my subscriber, Sexy Nana.
Yes, that's me, Sexy Nana.
I'm so happy you
Otherwise
spotted
known
me.
as Judith.
All right, Judith.
And Nana.
Yeah. My husband was up on the raft and Sexy Nana Judith spot me, you know? I'm so happy that you called to me.
I know.
So it's good.
Okay,
It's
yes.
good seeing you here in
Yes, and
Jamaica.
congratulations again on your baby.
Thank you.
Okay?
All right.
Okay, now, bye-bye.
All right. So I'm still here rafting and look who I ran into.
Run into RG, the jerk chicken lady.
Yeah.
Big follower up on him on YouTube. Yeah, man. Best jerk chicken in town, my girl. I'm buck up in her. Yeah, man. Big up yourself all the time. Enough things are going on, enough love, enough respect. Yeah, man. White River on the river, yeah.
I love it, I love it, I love it.
Yeah,
Listen, when you come out, you come upon the White River, you need to come check out Archie. You understand? And tell us I Rochielin said it. Yeah. What else you have around inside? That's jerk chicken alone? Remember? Yeah, look a view now. Walk around, look see what's going on in the kitchen now. So see that Audrey's authentic Jamaican jerk chicken.
Yeah, man. And look at this. Look at that.
Yeah, I just said that little knickknacks them, our little craft, all Jamaican, everything. So you know, if you leave the river, I know you dip on the river, you get everything. And then look on this, look at so, look at so, look at so, all right. Yeah. And a lot of different crafts. I love it, I love it, I love it.
Yeah, man. See the chicken not fun.
Oh, I could see chicken, all right.
Man, see the chicken now the pan.
Yeah,
Jerk chicken, there on the fire.
yeah.
Warm. Yeah, man. Best jerk chicken. Yeah.
Best jerk chicken in town.
Yeah, man.
All right, Audrey, big up yourself, you know.
All right, my baby.
And thank you so much. Listen, guys. Yeah, I just love meeting all of my subscribers. And Audrey, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate it. Yeah, big up on yourself.
I go watch you 'cause you make me laugh all the time. Yeah, man. I'm a girl, that.
Alright. Say something, put it to sleep.
Nice,
But in a good way. Not because I'm boring. I say, put it to
You're not
sleep.
boring, man. Because you make me smile. You always make me smile because you're full of joke.
Yeah,
You're fun. You're a fun person.
I love that. I love that. That's how you receive the video. I love that.
You're a fun person. You're not boring, none at all.
None at all.
None at all. Every little scribbles and little corner you go. You video little things. So sometimes you're boring. You just go on your page and watch your thing. Smile.
Yeah.
Understand me? Love watch your man. Girl, man. Later me go watch you. Big you up.
Yeah.
Look more. Big you up.
Alright, big up yourself.
Everybody, all of my household. Phone me I put in and thump up your phone. Everybody page.
We love
Everybody.
that. Love that.
You'll get enough love from me.
Alright.
All right, my baby.
Make sure to check out Audrey's authentic Jamaican jerk chicken. Cool? You saw me telling her, this is what I mean by the guy needs to have a lot of strength because the current of the water is coming, it's very strong and he's going against that. So it must be strong. Look at this, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, watch out, that swing. Whoa, wanna just look at that.
So this is the softest point of the river that we come to. We don't go up on the hard part. That is the hardest part up there, where no rafts can enter up that side.
Oh, the rafts can't go at
The
all?
raft cannot go up this side at
Look,
all.
look.
Yes, we have a lot of rocks over here.
Oh.
Yes, we have a lot of rocks and trees, so the roof of the raft cannot pass underneath those trees up there.
Gotcha.
Right. We have a little split between the rocks right here. We call it twin rocks. This is where we go around and turn and come back around here and go back down.
and then go
Bob
back
Marley used to come right here, come vibe. You see this bamboo tree right here?
Which bamboo tree? This one?
Yes, this set of bamboo tree right here. Bob Marley used to come meditate before he go on reggae bash
Yeah.
to go perform. This is his chill spot right here for 15 to 20 minutes before he performs.
Oh, yeah?
There's a lot of history about this river right here. The river is famous. All the artists from all of various places come right here, so come raft every other day. So we have Chensia them come the couple of weeks ago. We have Niger Boy came the other day. I have pictures and recording on my phone of all of those movements. Yes, so that makes this place really, really famous.
special.
Yes.
And guess what now? You also have Rochielin fast show.
Right, see that, me and Rochielin right here, people. See that, big up yourself. See that, my friend for years.
Yeah.
Big up.
Big up. But it's so nice, guys. I just love how clear the water is.
Crystal clear.
Yeah, and it feels so cool. Like I said, put it.
It's a mineral in there. The moment you go in it, it's gonna feel cold for a second, but you stay in there for about 20 seconds, it changes and it come like you adapt to the water and the water adapt to you.
I love that. I love that they have this little spot where people can stop, get
Yes.
some chicken, eat, drink a
6 days ago,
Take a
you don't
drink.
have no spot up here to move around. It was so packed.
so packed.
Yes.
Because of the holiday.
Holiday, yeah.
I can imagine.
You don't have no room to move. Raft can't even pass each other, you know what I mean? There's so many people, left, right, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to move, you just have to just go with the flow.
Right, I get that.
Right.
But I love that they have like the jelly man on one side, so you
Yes,
can get
yeah.
your coconut jelly.
Yeah, that's
You
how
have
we
the
provide it so everybody can,
jerk
yeah.
the
Right.
jerk, you get jerk chicken, you have a little craft.
Yes.
You want a little souvenir for carry back, you have a liquor. And then you have music and
You know?
vibes. Jamaica is all vibes.
Everything plug in, me people, nothing no plug out.
Yeah.
Remember here? All right.
And apparently all of them can dance. So you
Yeah,
have a
man.
little dancing show.
Yeah, you're fully entertained. Once you company Raft exclusive green carpet, boss, yeah, I got mad out the thing for now.
Yeah,
Me now feel on you hear that?
yeah.
And over this side now is this is called Reggae Hill over here. This is where the guys off the ship come. When they come, they if the ship stay in here for 8 hours or 9 hours, they stay here for that 9 hours or 8 hours until they're ready to go back on the ship and depart.
I noticed their cabana is set up.
Yes.
But-
It's reserved for different purposes.
Oh, that's so cool though. And they're like right on the bank of the river.
Right, right.
That is cool.
There's a nice area on the other side. If you go around the approach is so pretty.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you said right here, so that we're looking at
Right.
where this is the deepest part of the river.
This is the deepest part right here.
Is
This
that
what
white
you
or
can-
blue?
Right, yeah.
This is where they do the diving and
Yes,
the
this
swinging.
is all where the diving area at, where you have the swing right here, where you swing off and you dive. If you're a diver, you don't dive, don't try it.
Don't try it.
Right.
It's just because I'm not a diver, I will not be trying it.
Straight
Me
up
I
in
go
front of
stay
like
up on the land, come is a dry land tourist. So tell me, what's going on over here, so now?
We do a hookah service. We have a club called 420 Hookah Lounge. That's where we represent. We just come in having a look of freestyle. They on the local Riverside. I go enjoy ourselves and thing, you know.
So
But
people who come on the rafting or tubing along the river, they can get the hookah service here?
They have it, they have it provided.
Yeah.
Right at the first shop. So, yeah, man, you can come. We are trying. Me bring my special one, you know. But unfortunately, we left one of the parts them, so we end up having support and rent one.
Oh.
So,
Well, a good thing so them have it available for
yeah,
rent.
of course, we can't do without smoking.
Right.
Okay, have a look addictive thing to it, you know.
Yeah.
It's fun as well. So if we're not doing this, it don't make sense. I'm here.
Yeah, I
So
get you.
the best thing, they have it here. So I recommend anybody to come back here.
Right.
All right. We have
All right, yes, sir. One sharp bass 420, yeah, representing, yeah.
same way,
All
sir.
right, then fully.
Different strokes for different folk. Them have all different types of activities as I can see. So if that's what you're into, they have it available. You know, personally, I don't do the hookah, I don't smoke. But I know you have a lot of smokers, a lot of hookah doers, a lot of... So they have the things them for different kind of people. So check it out.
Yeah, see it, my people? That's the limestone right here. There you have it. You rub it out, put water on it, and that's how it dissolves. Just like that. When you rub it up, you put it on your skin like so. See that? Just like a lotion. So there you have it, my people.
How long you leave it on for?
Yes, you leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll feel the exfoliating movements on the skin and all that good stuff. All right? So there you have it.
Alright, so we're turning around now, we're making a U. And we're going back down the stream.
Jesus, please.
No, but your skin clean, man. Your skin clean. So we're going back down the stream now.
Yeah.
Baby fast asleep. But this is so tranquil. But guess what? Sean is about to go captain the raft.
Eh?
Let's see.
Yeah, man, go on, touch yourself. Watch it, man. Touch a little. Yes, Captain. Let me see what you got.
Shana captain the ship right now. So he's the one that's rowing us. A row you call that?
Yeah.
What am I doing? Row the boat?
Push.
He's pushing the raft.
He's pushing the raft. He's captain.
He's captain in it. Yeah. Shana, but I make a turn over. Guys.
See the guys.
Okay.
Shana captain the ship. You got it, people. See it? Yeah, watch it. Just keep them out through the middle of the raft. It all lick on the side, but don't worry about it.
No, but I make it lick, Sean.
Yeah, push on the next side now. Yeah, over there, so. Yeah, over there, so. Over there, so. Watch it.
Ooh,
brace yourself.
to crash.
Brace yourself.
Woo! Oh, what kind of captain this?
No, man, a good captain, man. We have to, the obstruction there, have to go on. Watch it, then I go to big like, yes, my general, you go on with your thing down there.
Yeah.
Do your thing, you mean? Let the people them know how go on. Go on, man, you go on, man. Just go through the middle of them and go on. You go on, good. Yeah. Just cool and I love your attitude towards the thing. You see what I go on, you come experience it and you see the struggles. But like that. Yeah, man. Captain, talk to me. How you stay? You, yo, he knows.
Go on closer to him.
Yo, Mr. Like your attitude. Just see I know, Captain, you go on good. How you mean? Alright, see that my people, you have the fishing village over here, so. Live and in living color. See there? This is the official fishing village in White River right here. So when you come, you have the boat, all of the boat them. Yes, earlier I was about to tell you about the party boat. See the party boat I pull up right here, so. Watch a big captain, man. In Tuffy, him on a pass Raft. Just see I know it. Yeah. Don't it? The dog take it all the way down here through the crowd. Alright, watch here now, my people. See the party boat there. See the party boat there, right there, so. Yeah. So anytime you want to book a tour for the party boat, my people, we have it right here, so ready, prepare for the people them. So you don't know, see it over there, so. It live, ready for your water. So when you say book a tour, water we say. I say, I'm a big captain, still a good right here, so.
I think of that if I make him push it upstream.
Yeah. All right, welcome to Cashapp Beach right here. So we have the nude beach over there, so. We have the regular hotel on this side over here, where you can book your room and relax. You have the beach on this side right here, so where you can enjoy yourself, as you can see. And this side is called San Antonio right there. But the whole beach is called Cashapp Beach.
Cashapp.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there you got the nude beach on that side again. Yeah. Rio Blanco. So right here, so we have the next famous stop right here, so where you come enjoy yourself on the beach. There's no limit to the thing. Your movements, just free flow.
Free flowing.
Yeah.
So this is a calm, chill, cool day.
Area where you don't have to worry about nothing.
Yeah.
It's fully secured over here. This is a private property where you don't have to worry about nobody coming in and harm anybody or doing anything wrong. This is fully secure.
Good. And this is where I said I do the jet skiing.
Yes, this is the area for the jet ski actually, where you see them come up, them can go up the river also, and then take it out on the ocean right here on this side.
So the river meets the sea.
Normally we used to raft on the ocean,
Yeah.
but because the old river is fully open, we have access to the full river because of our certification.
Yeah.
Yes, we don't go back on the ocean no more. We just stay on the river. Yeah.
Love that.
But if someone come and want to request to go on the ocean, we do that.
No, guys, I just want to take a look.
Yeah.
First of all, look on the jet ski.
See jet ski? Hey, what's that? Give me something, yeah, I mean.
Nice.
Right in the ocean, don't it? No
Lovely.
obstruction.
Yeah. Like him come pick up somebody here, so now. So as I was saying, guys, I just wanted to take a look at the river water. Like what you're seeing on camera, it's not even half as how beautiful that it looks in person. It is so gorgeous, it is so nice, it is so clear, and you see the greens and blues and the different hues, and it is actually, it's better than what you're seeing. So if you're seeing it and it looks good, just know say it look better. And that's all the way down the river. It is absolutely beautiful. And I just love how everybody is here doing their different activities and just enjoying themselves. It's peaceful. It's a cool evening. It's January in 2025 and it's cool. I don't know what it's going to be like in the summer. If it's going to be warmer. I'm sure it's going to be warmer, but right now it is cool. And it's just a lovely evening out. And their families out, kids out, man, woman, child, everybody. And them are there from the jet ski to the rafting, to the tubing, to the canoeing, to people just here chill and eat and just a vibe. Everybody have them look a speaker and them look a circle and them look a groups and just enjoying. And this is what life is about. Going out and enjoying the land, enjoying the place, enjoying the earth, enjoying Jamaica. Especially for my local Jamaicans. Come on, you guys need to get out and go and explore the country some more. I've been vlogging now for maybe almost 10 years and I've been preaching this from day one, like go and enjoy the country. There are resources available to us and trust me, as somebody that migrated, let me tell you, there's no place like home. There's no place like Jamaica. There's no place like this. We have these things at our disposal. So go out and go and enjoy the natural resources that are here. I've been preaching this. I preach it before I leave. I preach it after I gone. I preach it when I come back and I go forever preach it. Jamaica is beautiful. There's a lot here to offer. So I want to go out and go and enjoy. Don't wait to go in a foreign country to go and try and experience these things. We have it here in Jamaica, so we go and go enjoy it. We go and go explore, we go and go experience. I'm telling you, no, niceness is here. And I know I also have a lot of followers that are non-Jamaicans. Jamaica is beautiful. If you ever get a chance to leave your country and to go visit somewhere else, visit Jamaica. And for my diaspora people or for my Jamaicans that left Jamaica, even whether yesterday or many years ago, Jamaica is beautiful. Jamaica is still home. Try to come home and come and enjoy it. You don't have to move back, but come and enjoy at least one time before such time. Come and enjoy the land. Nice things there. Things there for that you'd want, but I know a lot of time people don't know about it. So I'm trying to showcase it to encourage you guys to come and enjoy. Enjoy, because I'm enjoying it. True.
Yeah.
So, you ever consider putting some of them engine up on the raft?
Yes, I did it. You know what? A couple of guests said the same thing to me.
I'm gonna feel sorry for you and them.
No man, a good workout man. We on them alright, but
a good workout, but all day?
Yes.
All day, every day I feel sorry for your hands.
Just cool. I want to tell you, say, it come like you want to do more. The more, if you start one, it come like you want to do all 10 more. That's how good it feels.
Wow. So you ever consider the engine though?
Yes, I did. On the back of it.
And it doesn't work?
I really consider the speedboat engine them like are the custom jet ski built in underneath engines.
Yeah.
But first I would have to customize a design for it to sail on the water like the boats. You see how the boat have a certain design where it have the cut or the arch in the front of it. I'm gonna show you. It's like how that one is. But it wouldn't be that deep. It would have been like a little mini type.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it have a little peak on the front. Then we have the little sides where nobody won't fall out, where you can sit on the inside and no water don't touch you. Only if you want to touch water, you can touch it.
Yeah. So it's something that you're considering
I consider that, yeah. And if I can get a builder who can customize the engine on it, I can always make the raft. Because we're builders for the raft. It's just for the engine to be installed on it.
If any of you know how to put an engine on a raft,
link up exclusive green carpet rafting.
Link up. We'll do something.
That's it. Make something happen. Make it easier for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Make it easy for the raft captain then. At least if we have rough waters, we have the engine to carry us through the rough waters.
Right.
And don't, you know what I mean? Do not go natural. This is where we take off, this is where we depart from, and this is where we land back. Right here, guys. Welcome back to land. As you can see, we approach the final ending.
All right, my peoples, my family, and it was a day well spent. I don't think I have to say anything else. I think I've said it all earlier. So if you guys want to have an experience just like this, I'm going to leave Trace's number in the description bar below. Give him a call, book your experience, and let him know that Rochielin sent you. If you haven't subscribed already, now would be a great time to subscribe. Press that like button and leave your comments below. Let me know your thoughts on this video. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Rochielin traveling the four corner. Rochielin vlogging on no border. Rochielin plant a man banana. Rochielin vlogging on no drama. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Like, share, subscribe. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Channel the worldwide.
Rochielin!